admin well, and as a legal team, we naturally help people to navigate their way and maneuver the speed, and we keep everything under control. And the various colors that represent are basically the elements of ESG framework, which is environment, social, and governance. Wow. And she will explain what each color represents as far as
ESG. I would have done this like 1,000 times right now, even with IIT, IIM guys. Ma'am, very honored to you. Very honored to you. You're the first person to actually talk about ESG in this. I'm going to write it in my notes. Seriously.
And the domino effect is nothing but the ESG.
Wow.
So I just add to this.
Also, HR, you got some amazing talent. ESG in this. Seriously. Hey, I'm giving her a bonus point because this is unheard, untalented. It's beautiful. Yes,
Yeah, so just to narrate what it represents various colors. I'll just explain some of the colors. For example, the green and whites are representing environment, and orange and yellows are representing people, right, social. Governance is also represented by various colors. All we are trying to say is ESG is like a domino effect. When we stand together and we help it bring up, ahead, because that is what the mission of the organization is, to improve on the ESG standards and have its impact on the stakeholders, and if it falls all together, and hence it is all interlinked, and hence we say it is dominoes.
Oh.
Captain will you keep that in your hand. You keep that in your hand. Don't keep it on the table.
Save it all the places.
Don't keep it on the table.
I'll give it to you. Who's doing the honors?
Captain.
Our captain.
Are with the rod? Are put the car side. Awesome.